I went into a fast food restaurant named Bojangles yesterday, and I noticed it has gotten a facelift since the last time I went there. You know, they put in there's new paint, the sign change, everything, the whole setup rearrange. It looks better, you know what I mean? But the service was the same. It stinks, and it reminds me of some of you women. Yes, yes. You know, look good, stay good, smell good, hair done, lashes done, face beat, as I like to put it. But now some good dirty ways one can't get rid of. But hey, these are just my thoughts. What are yours? Ensure that you like, share, comment. And you know, anything we take off your man too. So, yeah. Same thing. Some of them man, yeah, whatever. But on a man me look, me not into man, how man me into, so I have to do with the woman. So, you know, you think go.